Sige, kain. Gutom na ako eh. So, kain muna. Then, immigration. Saka din ang discount ko, 207 dapat. Ay, hindi, 242. Tapos naging 172. Nakalusot na kami immigration. Doon kami sa may senior. Gate natin is 103. Yeah, 103. Yay, finally! Kuala Lumpur. Pagkwento ko nangyari sa amin sa immigration. So, pila na kami sana sa Philippine passport. Kaya lang napansin ni mama yung signage for PWD and senior. So, doon kami pumila. Dali pala pag doon, pag may kasama kang parents. Wala masyado tinanong sa akin. Sa senior kasi, tsaka PWD na, dapat isa lang ng kumpanya. So, ayun, tanong natin kung ano tinanong sa kanila. Walang tinanong sa'yo? Kahit isa? Pinakita mo lang yung passport mo?
Kita ko lang passport ko. Tapos, tinanong kung couple ako, family kayo. Oo, family kami. Tapos, tinuro sa'yo.
Yun lang?
Well lang, ganun lang.
Dali lang, no? Ano sabi sa'yo sa inyo? Ilan? Anong kung nagtatrabaho pa? Hindi ka may family leave. Sa ilan tayo aalis? Yun lang. Ano nga ba? Ha? Yun lang? Okay. Ang tinanong sa akin is, ano work ko, saang company. Ay, hindi. Saang company, local ba yun? Tapos, ayun, yun lang ata din. Konti lang. Tinanong pala kung kailan uuwi. Boarding na kami. Tapos yung mga kasama ko, nag-CR, tapos bumibili ng food. Ang gagaling. Akin pala yan. Oh, ito sa'yo. $23. Ako sa gitna na. Diretso pa. Diretso hindi ganyan. Hindi. Pateo. Ito, kalipaw na. Hindi, taas na yan. Ay, hindi na kaya.
just jumped off. Can't stare out at the lake from a west side rooftop. Looking back at it now, I should've just jumped off. I knew these places would taint on me, yet they remain among my cherished spots. From when I learned how it felt not to breathe, simultaneously I was falling in love. I felt every ounce of nocturnal. These places would taint on me, yet they remain among my cherished spots. From when I learned
We would like to say thank you for playing with us.
to breathe, simultaneously I was falling in love. I felt every ounce of nocturnal. These places would taint on me, yet they
We're at Terminal 2.
cherished spots.
Sunod lang tayo sa mga tao.
And I learned how it
There goes immigration.
simultaneously I was falling in love.
Taas ng ano,
I felt
escalator.
every ounce of nocturnal liberation. And now on every
Layo ng
social
arrival.
tableau.
Dito na ata ang ano, immigration. Immigration. Ang daming tao. So, wala mag-fill up nun. Mag-fill up na ako ng ano namin, arrival card. Saya mo ah. Ang saya mo. Teka, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Wait. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami lalabas. Pero ito sabi way out. Let's just follow the signages. Custom check ko pa. Yes! Way out! Let's eat first before magbiyahe. 1 hour din ang papuntang hotel. I'm not sure kung may was na food doon. So, dito na lang.
Every street corner drifting on water, you are my now. Swear I could go, but still clearly holding somehow. I've been
Level 1.
immune to the you that I was feeling.
Level 1. Dito ata eh.
We're through, now I see blue. Cause we slowly died from here. Still forever.
Mag-grab na lang kami papuntang hotel. Napamahal ako guys. 72. Umulan kasi ata eh. And ang arte ni driver. Daming tanong. Daming tao guys. Sana magkita kami ng driver. Sa loob kayo. Wala ka naiwan? Thank you! Hello, good morning. Reservation. Cloak. Delisa Pasco.
Airport na Pero ang ganda ng daan. Siguro parang expressway dinaanan natin. Kaya naging maganda.
Refundable yung ano, no? 50.
Easy na ako.
Ah, sorry. Ah! Yay! Ang ganda din. Not bad. Bago binyagan daw ang kinama. Ganda ang taas ang feeling, oh. No? Ito lang kami matutunog for tonight. Kasi lesson bukas.